Hello, good evening to all. My name is R. Anthony Gerald. I am going to teach computer science for you. We are going to see about internet, intranet, extranet, protocols, and data transmission media. First, we are going to see about internet. As already you knew that word. See, it is the largest network that connects millions of computers worldwide to share information and services. Suppose if you want to send an email to Americans, yes, you can send it through internet. That is the meaning of internet. Next one is we are going to see about intranet. What is meaning by intra? Intra means within. We can communicate within ourselves. We can't communicate with others. Okay, that is called intranet. It is a private computer network owned by a company or an organization and is accessible only to its employees. See, internet we can connect all over the world. Intranet we can connect within ourselves. We can't connect outside the world. Okay. Next we are going to see about extranet. It is a computer network that allows outside user to have limited access to the part of the organization information. See, if you want to communicate with others, you can communicate, but only the limited access. See, that is the difference between internet, intranet and extranet. Internet, it creates connection between computer around the world. Intranet, it creates connection inside an organization. Extranet, it creates connection beyond an organization. Okay, is it clear for you? Next we are going to see about protocol. What do you mean by protocol? It is a set of rules. If you go to any organization, it will have some rules. Okay, if you go to school, it has its own rules and regulation. That is called protocol. In computer science aspect, it has its own protocol. Okay, now we are going to see about transmission control protocol. It is responsible for dividing the message or file into small packets at the source computer that are transmitted over the network. See, all your information will be sent by data. See, the data will be divided into small packets from source computer. In the end, it will reassemble it and sender receive full message. It will take the responsibility. The protocol name is TCP. That means Transmission Control Protocol. Next one is we are going to see about Internet Protocol. See, each computer has its own address. This protocol take the responsibility of sending the message into right destination. It handles the address part of each packet so that it reaches the right destination. Next we are going to see about data transmission media. There are two types. One is wired media, another name we will call as a guided media. Another one is wireless media. We will call it as a unguided media. The title itself you can easily say. It provides a physical path between the communicating devices in a network. We will use wire or cable. That is called wired media. See, example of wired: copper twisted pair, copper coaxial cable, optic fiber cable. Okay, the data speed is vary from one to another. Next we are going to see about unguided media, that means wireless media. Without wire, we can communicate from one to another. It is a type of transmission media that send or receive the data through air or space. That is called wireless media. For example, Bluetooth. Okay, we can communicate to other within 5 or 10 meters. That is possible in Bluetooth. It is a technology which will helpful for transferring your data within 10 meters. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. See, we can connect it through wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi. 5 devices can connect at a time. Suppose if your Wi-Fi bandwidth is high, you can connect more than 10 devices at a time. See, if you want to communicate into satellites, that also possible through wireless media. Is it clear for you? If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.